Hi guys, Shredder here with One Wank, and we've met up with David here. We're just on our way to DRS Open Day. We've managed to blag a few tickets, so we should be alright for getting in. It's a lovely day, so we'll speak to you later. Okay, we're at the DRS Open Day now. It's quite busy, as you can see. We've got one of the new liveried big cats behind us, DRS car, and they've got a good selection here. They're well spread out. We've got a lovely day for it, so just follow us around the stalls and have a look around. Catch you later. Name this locomotive and to name it after our good colleague Max Jewell. There we are.
So thanks very much and really enjoy the rest of the day.
Well, we've been out open day now, met loads of different people down there. It's pretty good. The weather's been great. It's been a bit crowded, but we've just waited, so we've got our shots we wanted. We've just come up to Freight Line Terminal now, just to see if we can see anything from here, but they've gone a bit crazy with fencing. You can't see anything at all. So we're going to walk down to the museum now, to the rail centre, and get a few pictures down there, so we'll see you later. Hi guys, well we're sat in the APT in the Crewe Heritage Centre now. We've walked round from the DRS open day. It's a really hot day. Been struggling a bit, but this is, if you hadn't wasted so much taxpayers' money, we'd be flying about in these instead of Pendolinos now. They look a bit dated, look at the deco and everything, but at least they preserved one. So we're going to have a wander around the Heritage Centre now, see what's in. There's quite a lot out there. There's 37s, HSTs, a couple of HSTs there. I'm not sure what's around the back, we've not been there yet, but there's quite a lot of people in. It's a lovely day for it, so we're going to have a wander about. So see you then.
Somewhere. Might be in the signal box. Yeah. Yeah.
passengers on platform number 5 are reminded to stand behind their lines. We have trains that enter and exit the platform. For your safety as well as the safety of others, stand behind your line on platform 5. This is the first and only warning this afternoon.
We just got off the train back at Mills Hill now, so we've had a great day out. This is where we started, this is where I parked the car. So after a fantastic day, although it's been really hot, I'll just say goodbye. But before I do, we've been pulled up 3 times altogether. People confusing me with one mank. I'm Shredder. One mank is behind the camera, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like now.